Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video is going to be about draping a basic bodice with a single dart, a waist dart. Center front length measurement. Measure from the top edge of the neck plate to the neck point over the bust tape to waist, then add 3 to 5 inches. I usually add 3 inches. Be mindful of the neck plate to neck point measurement because this measurement ensures that you have enough fabric to drape your neck outline. Center front width measurement. Measure from the side seam to center front across the apex. Add 3 to 5 inches. I added 3 inches. My apex is indicated by a red threading. The apex is the fullest part of the bust. Preparing the center front muslin. Using your straight ruler, draw a 1-inch line along the lengthwise edge of the muslin. Indicate your neck point and fold fabric under. Draping center front. Pin your muslin onto the dress form at neck point and waist. Make sure your fabric is loose and laying lightly over the bust tape around the bust area. Pull the fabric straight to the side parallel to the floor and pin. Cross mark your apex point. Take the fabric up the dress form and extend the cross mark with a horizontal line. Repin the fabric back onto the dress form and pin your apex. Pin your muslin at the side, making sure it's parallel to the floor. The horizontal line will serve as a guide to ensure your muslin is straight and parallel to the floor. Smooth the fabric along the neck and pin muslin in place at neck at shoulder. A tension is going to form along the neckline seam. To ease the tension, cut out the edge of the muslin, then snip about 1 inch apart along the neckline until fabric lays flat around the neckline. Snip the fabric up to the neckline seam, but not beyond. Smooth fabric over the shoulder ridge and pin at the tip. Remove the pin at the side and smooth fabric along the side seam. All the excess fabric will gather at the waist. Mark and pin under the arm plate. Pin along the side seam all the way to the waist. Waist dart. Gather all the excess fabric at princess line, tuck under and pin to create a waist dart. Cut to ease tension. Continue to retuck, to repin and cut until fabric lays as desired. Markings. Mark your neckline. And shoulder tip. Mark the shoulder ridge by drawing a straight line from the arm plate screw to the armhole ridge and mark. Mark under the arm plate, side seam, and waist. Do not forget to cross mark your princess line at waist.